I'll show you an easy way to install iPhone emojis on your Android phone. Before we start, don't forget to like the video and comment a heart. So, as always, let's begin from the start. First of all, open the Chrome browser on your phone. In Chrome, search for Resider iPhone emoji. After searching, scroll down and find the Resider iPhone emoji link, then open it. On the Resider page, keep scrolling down until you see a download button for the iOS emoji app. Quickly download it. Once the download is complete, you'll see an open option at the top. Press on it. After opening the app, you'll see two options at the bottom. First, press the Enable Emoji Keyboard 10 button. This will take you to your phone's keyboard and default input settings. Turn on the toggle for Emoji Keyboard 10. Press OK on the pop-up at the bottom. Now the first step is complete. For the second step, press the Switch to Emoji Keyboard 10 button. After pressing, select English UK from the pop-up menu. If the app asks for permission, give permissions. Now, whenever you use any app's keyboard, iPhone-style emojis will appear. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like the video.